All right, welcome back to learning more about graphing lines using intercepts. And what we're going to look at now is our example 2. So if you would, pause the video, write it down. When you're ready to pick up where we left off, go ahead and hit play and we'll work this out together. All right, so the last example we showed that in order to find the x and y intercepts, basically we ignore one letter to find the other. We ignore x to find y, we ignore y to find x, and we're going to do the same thing here. So to find x, I'm going to ignore y. And when I say I'm going to ignore y, in order to find my x-intercept, in effect what I mean is I'm going to cover up this y stuff and solve for x. 3x is on my left side. Don't care about this y stuff. On the other side I have negative 12. To get x by itself, we divide both sides by 3. And that tells us that our x-intercept occurs where? Exactly, at x equals negative 4. And as an ordered pair, if x is negative 4 for my x-intercept, y is always what? Y is always 0. Okay, so let me actually say intercept here. Now let's find our y-intercept. And how do we do that? We ignore x, right? We want to find y, we ignore x. All right, let's ignore x. I cover up x, and the equation that results, negative 4y equals negative 12. This is what I need to solve now, this negative 4y equals negative 12. To find what my y is, we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. Beautiful. How much is our y? Negative 12 divided by negative 4, that's 3. So what this means is my y-intercept occurs on the y-axis at 3. And what's my ordered pair? If y is 3, and that's my y-intercept, x is always what? 0. All right. Now that we have our two intercepts, we can graph this thing. And let me use a different color for the coordinate plane, and then I'll go back to purple for the graph, I guess. Okay, in this coordinate plane, I promise I'll try to do a better job of making it look a little bit neater than the last example I did. The last example, I kind of did a bad job, and I'm sorry about that. Okay, and for this example, I'll try to label some of my tick marks so you know that it's understood that I'm scaling by ones. Okay, that looks good. All right, x is to the right, y is to the sky. Now we want to graph this line. To do that, we need 2 points. Well, we found 2 points. We found our x-intercept to be negative 4. That means on the x-axis, I place a dot at negative 4, place a point at negative 4. At y equals 3, my y-intercept is 3. I'm going to be on the y-axis at 3. Place my point. I have 2 points. That's all I need to graph a unique line. Connect them, and call it done. All right, good work. Please click the next link to see the next example, example 3. See you soon. Bye.